everyone, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Are you looking for a fun, easy project to make for your junk journal? Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute flip down notebooks. This one has a pocket outside and it flips open to show two notebooks inside that you can write on. And then it just clips closed with a little clip here. And then this one, I really love these colors, these teals and pinks, so cute. Has this little policy envelope closure. And it has on the inside a flip down notebook, and a pocket. So really you can configure these however you want. Your imagination is really the limit. And the first thing that you need, or that we're going to need here today, is a piece of paper. You can use any kind of paper. I'm using a piece of scrapbook paper. I like this because I can get a nice long section, and I can get, if I do them 4 inches wide, I can get 3 strips out of one piece of scrapbook paper. And that's perfect for what I need. What I'm going to do first is cut off this little top strip from the top here of my scrapbook paper. But you could do this with coffee dyed paper or other, 8.5 by 11 size paper, printables or something like that if you wanted to. And we're going to do 4 inches. This is me measuring. Okay, we'll set that aside. And I don't mind that the inside is white. Actually, I'm fine with that because we're going to be covering it with some other things. Now we're going to just fold the top down about 1 inch, 1.5 inches. And I like that these have these numbers here. It's some instant decoration. Give it a good crease. Where my bone folder is, so I will just use my scissors. Okay, and then you fold the bottom up to about 1/4 inch or so from the top. You need a little room for it to expand once you have your notepads in there. And then crease the bottom. Okay. Now, if you want to ink it up, now's the time to do that. And I have a walnut stain here. Okay. All right. Hope you're finding value here. If so, please go ahead and hit the like button. Helps YouTube spread my content so we can grow our community, and I really appreciate it. Okay, now that we've inked the edges, we're going to put our notepads in, and I am going to use some coffee dyed paper that I just made. Let me grab that. And you can use whatever kind of paper you want, copy paper or just anything you want to put in here. I'm going to use this pretty coffee dyed paper, and what we need to do, I think if I fold it over that way, it'll be just long enough. That's a little short. Fold it this way. See how that works. I think that's going to be good. Okay, so what we're going to do is just, I'm going to take 2 sheets, which I have, and cut them just under 4 inches wide. So maybe 3 3/4. So they'll fit inside the notebook. Okay. I'm going to crease this. And what I'm looking to do is to get something folded over so I have somewhere to staple. That's why I'm looking to do this long ways, if that makes sense. I want to staple that right in the crease. And it's a little long, so I'm going to trim that off with my scissors. See how that is now? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now I do have this long reach stapler. I feel like a cheater every time I use it. If you don't have one, you can certainly open your staple up and press it through something soft and fold over your staples, if you know that trick. I am going to cheat and use my long range stapler here. Line that up. I'm going to get it right in the crease if we can, and we are close enough. Okay. All right, now on the bottom here, you can put anything you want. We can do another notepad, or we could do a little pocket. I think since we're going to do a pocket on the outside, we'll just do another notepad. So let's just put another one of those in. And we're just going to cut this down again. Maybe cut some of this off ahead. Let's see if this works. Okay. And let's see how close we got. If I need to trim any. I think that fits just fine. Okay, let's staple these in. Okay, now that's all that's left to do is to decorate that. I need to do a little trimming here just to clean that up. And let's see, I've got all these flowers and butterfly die cuts. I've got some book page here. Let's take a piece of book page. You know what? Let's put a little pocket on the front. I have got some scraps of coffee dyed paper. Got some scraps of this. Let's make a little pocket. Okay, I like this side better. All right, and let's glue that with some art glitter glue. Art glitter glue is one of my favorite glues. I finally got this bottle working again. So excited about that. Now my little bottle's not working. I guess I can leave that out. I'm going to use it again. Okay, now let's decorate this. And I'm going to ink that a little bit. Let's see what looks good. That's pretty. That looks pretty with that. I just like that, just how it is. Those colors are beautiful. Let's do that. Okay, and then for a closure for this, I've got this whole pack of these little clips here, and I think one of these pale ones, these pale pink corally colored ones will be beautiful on here. Oh, that's just perfect. Isn't that cute? Okay, so that's how you make a flip down notebook. And let's just take a look at it real quick. Got two little notepads in there. And then you can put a tag. Got one inked up right here. Ready to go, right in that pocket. Put a tag in there. Super cute. So we've got I hope you liked this. I think they're awfully adorable. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and please visit me at my Etsy shop, which is linked below. That's all for now. Thank you, everyone. Bye.